and you wanna make sandwiches. You wanna clean this egg. Babi cooked this egg for you. Yeah.
What can crack it? Now I can crack it.
Good job.
I'm gonna cut these eggs. I'm gonna also cut it.
Wait, I'm gonna cut with your hand, okay? Okay, gonna make slices, okay?
Can I mix it? Let's go open it.
Yeah?
Open it. Let's go.
Singing the wheels on the bus.
Build a house. Look, Daddy, I'm mixing it. Yeah, it's like that.
Like this.
Can I do it myself?
Very good. You got it.
I finished.
You did?
Yeah, I did it. I'm done.
You done?
Can I do it?
I show you first, okay? You take a little bit like this, and you take this one and you put everywhere you're gonna put a little butter.
Can I do that? Can I do this for myself?
Sure.
I'm painting butter. Daddy, we're gonna do butter.
You're gonna put kielbasa on, like this.
Can I put some little more?
Yeah.
Can I go? I want to do more.
A little peppers and a little tomatoes.
These are my favorite.
These are your favorite?
I want to put more butter on. That's a little bit. And you just have to put them on so there's a little bit to use.
You like it? Give a big kiss. Mwah!
I'm gonna eat cheese on it. We're gonna use this. Yeah, I want a tomato.
You like to eat it like that? Is it delicious?
I want to eat it with the we eat it at the table. I'm gonna make more bread. I'm gonna make more bread.
We have enough bread.
And I'm gonna cook more bread. I'm gonna cook more.
You wanna cook more?
Yeah.
And what do you wanna cook?
I don't know.
You will know how to make your sandwich?
Yes. Peppers
Peppers, yes. What else?
and a pickle.
Pickle, okay.
Kielbasa.
Kielbasa, right.
Butter.
Egg. And you sprinkle with what?
A cheese. And
So if mommy will leave for you everything in a fridge, are you able to do that?
I'm done.
You done?
I'm done.
You done? So what did we make? Sandwiches? And you like it? And did you enjoy making it?